How to make your man addicted to you forever without manipulation. Let me tell you something most people won't say out loud. You cannot make a man addicted to you with your body. You cannot keep him obsessed with just looks. And you definitely cannot secure him with jealousy games. If you want a man to stay emotionally hooked, not just for months, but for years, you need to understand how men bond. Because when a man bonds deeply, he doesn't wander. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to make a man emotionally attached, deeply invested, and low-key obsessed with you the right way. Not toxic. Not desperate. Not manipulative. Let's get into it. 1. Make him feel like a winner around you. Here's the truth about men. A man gets addicted to how he feels around you. If he constantly feels criticized, controlled, or compared, he emotionally disconnects. But if he feels respected, appreciated, capable, needed, not depended on, but valued, he attaches. Men bond through significance. When he feels like his opinions matter, his efforts are noticed, his presence improves your life, he invests more. Not because you begged him. Because you make him feel powerful. That's addictive. 2. Don't lose yourself. This is where most women fail. They meet a man and slowly erase themselves. They cancel plans. They stop hobbies. They make him their entire world. And here's what happens. He loses attraction. Why? Because men are attracted to women with identity. The woman who had her own ambition, her own circle, her own standards, her own schedule. That woman is magnetic. If he feels like he could lose you, not because you're threatening him, but because you have a full life, he values you more. Scarcity creates desire. Dependence kills it. 3. Be his peace, not his pressure. This one is critical. A man deals with pressure everywhere. Work, finances, competition, expectations. If he comes home to more stress, arguments, and drama, he'll emotionally retreat. But if he feels calm with you, if your presence lowers his stress, if conversations feel safe, he bonds deeper. Men don't always say it out loud. But they crave peace. Not silence. Not submission. Peace. There's a difference. Peace is emotional safety. And emotional safety is addictive. 4. Keep mystery alive. Predictability kills excitement. You don't need to play games. But you do need to stay interesting. Keep growing. Keep learning. Keep surprising him. Not sexually, emotionally and intellectually too. Be the woman who evolves, improves, has layers. If he feels like he's still discovering you years later, he stays intrigued. And intrigue fuels obsession. 5. Don't overgive. Listen carefully. If you give everything too fast, emotionally, physically, financially, you remove the chase. Men bond through effort. If he has to plan dates, earn your vulnerability, prove consistency, show leadership, he invests. Investment creates attachment. When someone works for something, they value it more. If he didn't work for you, he won't fight to keep you. 6. Be supportive, but have standards. Support builds loyalty. But standards build respect. You can encourage his goals. Believe in his vision. Stand by him during growth. But never tolerate disrespect. The moment you accept behavior that violates your values, you lower your position. And men don't get addicted to women they don't respect. Respect is the foundation of long-term obsession. Not beauty. Not sex. Not cooking. not submission. Respect. 7. Make him an emotional access. Most people give emotional intimacy too quickly. Trauma dumping. Oversharing. Clinging. Slow down. Let him gradually unlock deeper parts of you. This does two things. 1. Builds anticipation. 2. Makes him feel chosen. When a man feels like he earned access to your heart, not that it was handed to him, he protects it. That protection turns into attachment. 8. Stay physically attractive, but not just for him. Let's be honest. Attraction matters. But don't improve yourself just to keep him. Improve yourself because that's who you are. When a woman walks out, dresses well, carries herself confidently, she radiates value. Men don't get addicted to insecurity. They get addicted to confidence. And confidence is magnetic. 9. Create emotional highs without toxicity. Humans bond through emotional experiences. Shared laughter. Adventures. Deep conversations. Inside jokes. Growth moments. If your relationship feels like routine, predictable, flat, attachment weakens. Create memories. Travel. Try new things. Laugh often. Emotional variety strengthens bonds. Drama is not the same as depth. Depth builds connection. Drama builds trauma. Choose depth. 10. Be willing to walk away. This is the strongest position you can ever have. If you are scared to lose him, he feels it. If you know you will be okay with or without him, he feels that too. The woman who can walk away from disrespect becomes unforgettable. Because she values herself. And self-value is attractive. When he knows, I could lose her if I mess this up, he moves differently. Here's the truth. You don't make a man addicted. You become a woman so valuable emotionally, mentally, and physically that losing you feels painful. That's how you create long-term obsession. Not through manipulation, but through value. If this video helped you, comment. Value over manipulation. And if you want more content that teaches real relationship power, not toxic games, subscribe. Because the strongest position you can ever be in is being wanted, not needed.